and turned down, there was cows waiting to women. And horse around there with a whiskey and let's down with a steaming and was snowing on the train and all that whiskey and horses and women and horses and whiskey and cows went down to Dax house, went all in the saloon. I was howling for the gown, was just taking on the show, and one king down and out with whiskey and horses lost and poured out, and the sheriff came and was just on the crowd, and I was not in taxi, and only all the horses with a whiskey. And the horses shot down all fine.
Ensemble Mad Cow Disease, kuidas teil esinemine läks?
I was totally fine when I was feeling where all the audience was there with the college songs where it's just whiskey all over.
Kuidas te hindate oma konkurente sellel konkursil?
Howdy, folks!
Millised on teie bändi kõige suuremad trumbid, mis te ise näete?
Well, it's just when I went down with TC when I was just on Texas down with them in the morning. And partner here was just banjo and whining and the mustache smooth. It's just all the wind cows.
See on iseenesest huvitav fenomen, et te olete ju Tallinna mehed, üks Mustamäelt, teine Kristiinest, et see teie imidž, kuidas see teie imidž teie meelest Eesti muusika kultuuri konteksti suhestub?
Well, in Texas, we're just going to holy Indians! No, we better offshoot some Indians. All right, yeehaw!